Hello and welcome to part 4 of how to make and keep your goals for 2023. If you have been following along over the past few weeks, we've been talking about the DARE principle, and this is just an acronym that stands for Decide, Act, Reinforce, and Evolve. And I mentioned in part 1 that in order to accomplish any goal at all, you have to first decide specifically on what it is that you're looking to accomplish. The second step is to act on that goal or on that dream, regardless of what it is. If you don't take that step towards that goal or that dream, nothing is going to happen. In part 3, we talked about the importance of reinforcing yourself against doubt, against negativity, against all forms of distraction that steer you away from your goal. In today's concluding session, we're talking about E, which is evolve. What does it mean to evolve? Evolve just means to change, to grow, to become better, or to develop as a person. Regardless of whatever your goals are, I believe this is really the heart or the pinnacle of all of it, right? If you're not changing, if you're not becoming better as a person, if you're not developing, or if you're not growing, then perhaps it's time to take a step back and to reassess those goals or objectives to making sure that they are really making you a better person. So as we wrap up in this concluding session, I want to leave you with a question. Whether it's in pursuit of your spiritual goals, personal relationship goals, financial goals, health goals, or business goals, are they making you change? Are they making you grow? Are they making you develop? And are they making you become better as a person? Thank you for watching as always, and until we come your way again next time, think on these things.